Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can transfer money from QuickBooks to bank account, so let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks online account and navigate to the dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on the new option and then select Transfer from the menu. A transfer window will appear where you can enter the necessary details. In the field labeled Transfer Funds From, select the account from which the money will be moved, such as cash on hand or PayPal. In the Transfer Funds to field, select your bank account. Next, enter the exact transfer amount, specify the date of the transaction, and add a memo if you would like to include additional notes. Once all information is complete, click on Save and Close to finish. QuickBooks will now record this transfer and update your account balances accordingly. By following these steps, you can ensure that all transfers are properly documented in QuickBooks, making your financial management easier and more organized. Always remember that while QuickBooks helps track and record your transfers, the actual money movement must still be executed through your bank. And if you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.